How do you fix MECCHA Chameleon is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam. Now you want to go to your browser and navigate to this link which is in the description below. And from the redistributables table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them. Once you finish the installation, this will require computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do as well is check if you have the latest driver updates for your graphic card or your GPU. So you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And from there, you can basically download and install the latest available driver update. Now you can basically run Steam as admin by right-clicking on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your library and it should solve the crash problem. And if your game is crashing at the startup, here's what you can do as well. You can start by going to Steam settings and then scroll down, go to the in-game and make sure to turn off the overlay for Steam, as well as the overlay for other apps, such as the NVIDIA app. From the settings, turn off the overlay. And if you also have MSI Afterburner or Riva Static Tuner, you should also disable the overlay from there. And Discord as well. If you have Discord, you can turn off the overlay. And for Discord, you can go to user settings and scroll down to game overlay and turn it off from here. And once you've turned off the overlays, you can simply try to launch the game again from your Steam library, and it should solve the crash at the startup problem. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.